Hello everyone, welcome back for another Sunday Ideas. Today I am playing with my next card kit that I'm working on, and this one is all about watermelon. I did lemons, there's one kit left if you want it. This one's going to be about watermelon. Now I will tell you, my kits are in limited number. I usually only get 4 kits from each pack of paper, so if you want a kit you have to grab it fast. But this time I'm using Summer Slice and Watermelon Summer. And there's the papers that are in the collections. So there's that. I am also using the Watermelon Summer ephemera. It's got a lot of watermelon pieces and some girl pieces. I don't usually use the girls. I can't get into that. I don't know why. So there's that one. I did up some sentiments to go with the kit because there's no sentiments in there. So I did up some of my own. And then I also found, and you will get this in the kit, I've punched out mine that I'm going to use. And I've cut out my slice here. It was one of these that I'm going to use. So you'll get some of these in your kit also to use. So I give you lots of things to play with. Okay, let's get started with my card. And today I'm going to use that watermelon piece. And that watermelon piece looks like the outside. And I'm going to put these together. So let me pull down my pieces here. And you can get an idea of what the back of some of these look like. Okay, this one's going to go on here. Now, I will tell you, if you use a tape runner with this paper, you have to go slow because the paper is, the only way I know how to describe it is it's slick. It's got a real smooth surface to it. All right, let's get this done. I'm gonna have to start doing this off camera and use my scoreboard. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is this is gonna go on like this. And that's kind of messed up, so let me trim it a little. There. Now, let me add this. All right, and this is going to go on like so. Yeah, there we go. And I have to be careful because I don't want my image to hang over my card. Now, all the measurements are on my blog, so, and the link is below. So you can go in there and see. All right, and I'm going to put this here. And Optimum is here, so I will be back. Okay, I got them straight. They weren't installing the cable correctly, and it wasn't Optimum. It was the company that they hired to do the cable. When my cable was cut the first time, they just came and ran the line. They ran the cable across my yard, and then somebody came back later to install it, and they just pushed it down in. Well, every time my neighbor had landscaping done, if they did any kind of edging, it cut the cable. So this guy says, no, there's a conduit 2 feet down. It's supposed to go through that, so that's how he's going to do it. So hopefully that will take care of it. Okay, so I pulled in some twine here, and I'm gonna run it across and tie a bow. And I'm just gonna use a double knot, and then I'll do my bow. Okay, not tight enough. All right, hold on. Let me try this again. tweezers. So good. All right, I'm gonna cut that off, and I'm gonna make a multi-loop bow to put on here. And to do that, I start with the tail, and I wrap it around 2 fingers. 1, 2. And I pull in my 3rd finger. 1, 2. And then I pull in my 4th finger. 1, 2. And then I'm going to cut off this. All right, and I'm going to pull these 2 up and form like a figure 8. Then the next 2, and I'm trying to make them as close to the same size as I can. I have a little bit of wiggle room if I need it. And then this goes right here, and I'm going to hold it in place, and I'm going to tie my bow. Okay, there's one and another knot. There. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these down. Usually I don't attach it to my thing. I haven't done a multi-loop bow in a while, so I forgot. So I'm just going to kind of spread these out. And I'm going to go to the next 2. And I pull one up, one down, one side to side, just to give it some interest and to split it up. Then when I've got it all done, I take and scrunch it up, and if I need to, I take and do it again, you know, separate them again, scrunch it. All right, I'm going to cut this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. All right, so now I have a nice multi-loop bow. What I did was I pulled in the My Creative Time bunch of stitch doily dies, and I did one of these. I missed a piece here. And I'm going to put that on my card. But I'm going to move it here because I don't want to cover up all of those. I can't think. Watermelon. And I'm looking for, okay, let me get some things here. Okay. All right, I'm going to put that there. And I've got some pieces that I'm going to put on top. And I am going to put these on with dimensionals. My dimensionals are really, really thin. They're like 1 millimeter. So I will add those. And I think I'm going to put this one flat. All right, I'm going to put this one flat. And I'll put it right about there, like so. And I'm going to add these pieces on. Oops. I apparently didn't push that one down far enough. All right. And I'm gonna put that one down here, and this watermelon slice here. It's get rid of all of this. And then the only thing I have left is I took a 1 3/4 inch punch and I punched this out. I didn't want to go 2 inches because I would have a lot of extra around it. I haven't decided if I'm going to leave these the same size or go smaller. And I think I'm going to put it there, and I am going to go flat with this. Okay. All right. And there's today's Sunday ideas. Now be looking for my card kit. If you're not on my newsletter, you're not going to see that I have advertised it. I put them on my blog and sell them through my blog. So use the link below and sign up for my newsletter. Thanks for watching. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.